Hello guys, welcome back to PackWiseGear. So today what we are looking at is a series of tech pouches, which will go about from 1 liter to 2 liter, less than 2 liter, greater than 1 liter. So I have about 7 pouches here, which we are going to do in a series of 6 videos. And they are brands like Green Room 136, LOCHBY, we have Evergoods, we have Air, and Bellroy. These are the 5 brands which are competing in these series of videos. And we are going to do various packouts. We are going to do travel, we are going to do daily EDC, we are going to do a tech kit, we are going to do a first aid kit, we are going to do a pill, kind of a packout, like pills and vitamins. So it's going to be an interesting video. So keep watching PackWiseGear. Hello guys, so first one we have here is a Bellroy Desk Caddy, which is going to be taking part of this series of videos as a competition. We're going to see how good this is. This is in bronze color, and it's a fantastic caddy to have. And but we'll see what it holds and how we can use it. Hello guys, welcome back. So what we are looking at here is a Bellroy Desk Caddy. This is about $59, and it is 5.9 by 9.4 and 3.1, about 5.2 ounces. This is their desk caddy in bronze color, and I love it. I have been using it for a while, and it is very versatile. Pouch desk caddy, you can organize, you can do various things. Now let's look at in the nutshell here. So this has one main pocket, and within one main pocket you have different options. Back pocket is for tech, and then you have webbing loops here, 1, 2, 3, 4 to put your tools, one main cavity, and then you have a pen loop at the back here as well, and then a mesh pocket with a zipper. Okay, pretty nice, pretty decent. You can use this as a pen loop as well. So it should, if it packed properly, it should stand up on your desk like this. Okay, so you can keep it on the side, take things out, use it, and put it back in there. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to do a pack out of this, and the pack out we are doing is just kind of a reader's or writer's a day to the library. Okay, and see how they can fit different gadgets in here. Okay, so let's get going with the pack out. So I have my Kindle. This is 3D printed Kindle, and was hoping it can fit in the back pocket, but it doesn't, so I'm going to just put it out here for now. The back pocket, I'm going to put my journal, holds well, and then I'm going to put my reading light next to the Kindle. So I'm putting Kindle this way, so assuming you will have some kind of cover, so we can hold it, we can protect it and hold it well in position. Then have my X-Tinct reader, and I'm hoping I can put in one of these loops. I can. And then I have my highlighters, so I'll put that in this zipper pocket. Okay, now I want something to charge with, so I'm gonna take my this is custom designed power bank. I'm gonna put it right here, and then I have my LOCHBY dual pen pouch. I'm gonna see if I can put it in this slot next to the light. I can. Now I do need one charging cable because I want to utilize my my power bank. So I'm gonna have 3-in-1 charging cable put on the side here. And I need my AirPods. So I need to listen. Sometimes I have audiobooks. I need to listen to different, see, I don't have any room left. So I'm gonna close it out and see if I can just land it up on the top, my AirPods. Tight fit on AirPods. Let me see if I can utilize this pocket up front. All right, so I got everything fitted in there, okay, but I think I can reorganize a little bit, especially on the AirPods. And one thing I can potentially do is put it at the bottom, just like that, and put the dual pouch up on the top. There's only single zip operation here, so we'll go just like this. All right, so this is Bellroy Desk Caddy. Okay, the idea is go in a cafe, go in a library, you open it up, go in your office. This lands right on your desk. You have everything in there. You take it out, put it back in there. Everything is nicely structured. You can reach out to Kindle, read it, put it back in. X-Tink reader, read it, put it back in there, you know. So I think it's great. There's a lot of possibilities here, but there's a lot of pros and cons. Let's talk about them. So Bellroy makes everything with recycled materials. They're different composition of their materials. That's why you probably have noticed when I started this video, usually we talk about materials, but I haven't, because everything is made up by different compositions. So I'm going to put in a video and, you know, talk more about them. But I really feel like Bellroy should looking into a different materials, you know, like X-Pack Ultra, that gives them, or even Cordura for that matter. Cordura is going to be a great for something like this. I think the con I have is the tech pocket in the back didn't took Kindle at all, you know, as when we're doing like barely take iPhone Max. So I think that was the original idea by the designer, that only is going to hold iPhone. But if they could have extended a little bit and it can take a Kindle, and why not a desk caddy should have a Kindle, okay? And another thing is beautiful mesh here. I like the webbing, but give basically a mesh pockets just like Air as well. So because this is a desk caddy, people will have small gadgets. People will have AirPod. People will have definitely AirPods. Everybody carries that, or similar noise canceling headsets, small ones, earbuds. So I would appreciate if they have given mesh pockets here than actually a stretchable webbing. And other than that, it's pretty cool. I like the idea. Obviously better than the Desk Caddy, which we have seen on the Orbit key side of things. I think this one has more versatility and much better structure. But I would have appreciated a mesh pockets here, and the tech pocket to be actually hold at minimum the Kindle. Well, keep watching PackWiseGear.